Welcome to SG Riders, where we explore machines that shape everyday mobility. Today's topic is one of the most trusted scooters in the market, the new Honda Activa 125. This model continues a legacy built on reliability, comfort, and practicality, while introducing refinements that make it more suitable for modern riders. A legacy built on trust. For years, the Activa name has been associated with dependability. Families, professionals, and daily commuters have relied on it for hassle-free ownership and consistent performance. The new Activa 125 carries this legacy forward, focusing not on radical changes, but on meaningful improvements that matter in real-world use. Design philosophy: simple, premium, purposeful. The design of the new Activa 125 reflects maturity and balance. It avoids unnecessary aggression and instead emphasizes clean lines, a premium finish, and a confident road presence. The overall shape feels familiar, yet more refined, appealing to riders who value elegance and practicality over trends. Engine and performance. At the core of the new Activa 125 is a refined 124 cubic centimeters engine tuned for smooth and silent operation. Performance delivery is calm and controlled, making it ideal for city traffic and daily commuting. Acceleration feels linear, throttle response is light, and the scooter remains comfortable even during longer rides. Fuel efficiency and daily economy. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest reasons people choose the Activa 125. The new model focuses on optimized combustion and intelligent engine tuning to deliver consistent mileage in everyday conditions. This balance between performance and economy makes it a sensible option in a time of rising fuel costs. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort plays a central role in the Activa 125 experience. The seating is designed to support both rider and passenger during daily travel. Suspension tuning absorbs uneven road surfaces effectively, while the upright riding posture reduces fatigue and enhances confidence. Technology and features. The new Activa 125 integrates modern technology without overwhelming the rider. Information displays are clear and easy to understand, providing useful riding data and efficiency indicators. Smart features are designed to enhance convenience rather than distract from the riding experience. Safety and control. Safety is addressed through stable handling, predictable braking performance, and thoughtful rider assist features. These elements work together to make the scooter approachable for new riders while remaining dependable for experienced users. The focus remains on control, balance, and everyday confidence. Practicality for real life. Storage space, ease of use, and low maintenance requirements define the Activa 125's practicality. It adapts seamlessly to office commutes, shopping runs, and family use. Every aspect of the scooter is built around real-life needs rather than marketing gimmicks. Final thoughts. The new Honda Activa 125 does not attempt to reinvent what already works. Instead, it refines a proven formula, combining comfort, efficiency, reliability, and subtle modern upgrades. For riders looking for a dependable scooter that fits naturally into daily life, this model remains one of the most balanced choices available. This has been SG Riders, bringing you clear and focused insights into the machines that move us every day.